Efficient motion starts with intelligent control. Mauser works with Schneider Electric to help engineers access the latest in automation solutions.
The future is so great for automation and what can be done. Motion is advancing, robotics is advancing. What you're able to do today that we weren't able to do before is take servo drives and different motor technologies and control technologies and expand them so that now they're offering more support and help for customer applications. So right now here we're looking at today the ATV 350. This is the newest product. We just launched it a couple months ago. And what's unique about it is it's a decentralized drive, meaning it's on machine. So traditionally, most of the standard drives here, you're gonna mount them in a cabinet, right? And you're gonna wire everything there. This though, you can put out on a machine. And so you can put it where you need to on a machine, located near the motor. It's got a special enclosure rating, so you don't have to worry about the environment. Ideally, this is gonna be used in a warehouse or logistics situation where you've got a lot of packages or something that are moving through a warehouse or a system. Well, Mauser's been with us for, I think, over 15 years. 2011 we started. We've all just been working together as a good team, expanding automation in the marketplace. We've got service solutions, software solutions, hardware solutions. It's an exciting time, and this booth covers all of that in this small space.